Hello everyone. Today we'll import payroll data with the employee attendance. First, open application file. Select the company which you keep open in your Tally. Currently in my Tally, I have two companies open simultaneously. So I'll select Excel Tally software company. After that, I'll prepare a Excel sheet for employee attendance. In a payroll folder, you will get a attendance voucher template. Open that template. First, clear the file. Click on open your file button and select the data which you have and you want to import in a Tally as your employee attendance, and select the sheet attendance. Put the start row and end row of your data. My data is starting from second line and it's ending at 15th row. So I'll select the start row is a 2 and ending row is a 15, and then I'll click on start mapping button to do the mapping. If my headers and the file headers are same, then it will do the auto mapping, and if it is not doing auto mapping, then we'll have a drop down option. So through the drop down box we can do the mapping. For voucher number, select the voucher number only. For date type, select the date. According to that we have to do the mapping. Now here we have a working days. Head is in a present day. Next one absent days. Another one overtime. Narration will automatically come. You have 11 heads are given, so you can put your 11 type of attendance in a sheet. Now click on import data button to get a data in a Excel sheet. Now we have a data in a Excel sheet. First we'll give the voucher type, that is attendance. Drag it. I have my employee's name here and I need to provide a period of month. Working day period I have to put here. Then we'll define the header. Now these header you define in this column, this one I'll highlight it, that is present days. This one for absent days, and this one overtime. Okay, and click on this create head button. So it will copy the head in front of every amount or digit. If you want to deduct the days, give it a minus sign. If you want to add the days, keep it as it is. Now these heads are not available in a Tally. We have to create these heads under production or attendance or production type. So first I'll create this present days. I'll copy, go to the Tally, create attendance and production type. It is attendance leave with pay, and save the type. Then now we'll import the data. First save this file, go to the application, payroll attendance, and same file by following a path, attendance voucher file. Click on open, click on yes. Now it has imported an attendance of 14 employees. Now we'll check the attendance of the employee. Payroll report, attendance sheet. Here I need to define the period because I have imported data of August. So here I'll define period. Here you can check attendance is recorded of each and every employee properly through Excel Tally import software. By same method, you can also import your employee attendance. Just you have to use Excel-Tally software. Thank you for watching.